peaceful transmission. It's not a difficult thing. Allow the elections to go through the normal process. Whoever wins will accept. So why are you bringing all sorts of confusion?
I want to ask you a question. Last week, they protested. And last night, the Senate issued a statement saying that they are going to have an emergency plenary sitting tomorrow. Doesn't that make a difference?
That's what we are trying to make sure they make that difference.
So are you coming here tomorrow to protest as well?
No. When they sit tomorrow, after they are sitting tomorrow...
But the political parties are lagging behind. It's as if it's the Nigerian situation that is working. They are working towards this action.
We are working... We are doing that. That's what it's good you are seeing me today now.
It's the first time for everything. Let us get on that so we keep on.
No be Tinubu get Nigeria. No be we get Nigeria. No be Shatima get Nigeria. All of us get Nigeria. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. We are tired of selection. Give us election. We are tired of selection. Give us election. We are tired of selection. We want election. We are tired of selection. We want election. You must come out and pass the electoral reform. Exactly. No. As we talk now, make officers no contact because this Nigeria so now our Nigeria. Yes, this national assembly where we come from. And Fabio will come out. What do we want? Our vote must. Our vote must. Our vote must. Fabio, pass the bill. 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 My name is Peter from Nigeria. Make we meet our people. This will not be protest. If you are standing by the side, then we came to visit here. We are not here on a courtesy visit. We are here on a protest. Yes. This National Assembly gate now where we go there. Yes. So I don't know what you want to do for that corner they do. Whatever that they are doing here, this is where we are going to gather. This place is where they are. This
is the voice of Peter. And unlike